Let's see. Oh, yeah. Try not to disturb him. Hi, baby firefly. Did you? No, somebody did it. I bought this like a long time ago. Well, I got it as a gift from a guy I was going out with at the time. And this jacket was, you want to guess how much this jacket cost? All right, we'll make it to everybody guess. These were glued on. I believe they had glued on. But it was really, really expensive. Um, did you guys all have a nice weekend? What did you do? PME, you're a little too high up there. But, um, yeah, it's really a cool jacket. It's cool. Does it have pockets? Yeah, it got pockets too. It got pockets. A coat without pockets suck. I hate when you get a jacket if there's no pockets. It's like, where are you supposed to put your hands? I couldn't even begin. It's nice. Looks brand new too. Yeah, good condition. I don't know where I got it. Etsy? Was it? No, Etsy? No, not Etsy. What's the other site? Poshmark? Was it Poshmark? It could be Poshmark. I'll show it to you better. Let me stand up and show you. Okay, so it has pockets. See? Pockets. How could you not have pockets? How could you not have pockets? I would, if I have a jacket without pockets, I'm going like this all the time. I'm going like this all the time. It's like, I need goddamn pockets. Pockets. So this is the jacket. All right, I'll try to come up closer. So it has all these patches on it. Yeah. There. I love it. All right, so did anybody guess the price? Did you guess? Did you? Oh. Okay. Hello. Hiya. I think it's jacket. And it has the buttons on it too. It has. Yeah. Hi, Mick Jagger. Okay, it's getting hot in here. Everybody saw the jacket enough? Okay, everybody saw the jacket enough. It's coming off now. Because it's hot. All of a sudden it got really hot in here. But the jacket's coming off. All right. The jacket's coming off. It's a really nice jacket. There's no inside pockets to it though. No inside pockets. This is the way the back looks. Get you guys to have a closer look. In fact, what I'll do is I'll switch the camera. Hold on, my shirt tail. I have shirt tails. All right, let's see how much. I like the skull. The skull. What is this? There we go. Mick Jagger, do not. Oh, no. Don't you try to break the zipper. No, I know what you're after. I know what Mick Jagger's after. And the leather is like really very, very, soft. And those are the pockets there. Right.